Hello crypto traders, I'm the founder of Trading Paradise and today I prepared for you another video. Today we are not talking about a singular cryptocurrency, but I wanted to bring to you a wider perspective of the market, taking in consideration the stablecoin market cap. Why? Because it's important to monitor how is behaving the total market cap of stable coins to catch the important shift in the market. So from bearish to bullish to bullish to bearish. In front of you, you have the visual representation of the crypto stablecoin market cap. Here below, you see that this visual representation is formed by USDT, so Tether, USDC, which are the 99% of the total, and then we have of course a small portion of BUSD and DAI, but I don't want to mention because they are not relevant. And with this visual representation we have this white line, which is a 50 moving average, and we have the green, the light green and the dark red. When we are in light green, there is a bullish momentum. When we are in red, there is a bearish momentum. Okay, now let's check if this is true. Above we have Bitcoin chart. Okay, and let's check if what I'm saying is mostly true. Here we started to be in dark red and the price dropped 49%. Then slowly we start to build dark green, and as soon as we are in light green, we had a pump of 30%. Then again here a small portion of red that basically we stayed where we were. So sometimes of course it's a little bit laggy, but then again light green and the bull market resumed. Then again here dark red, and we dropped all to 40%. Then dark green, a small pump, and then again dark red, and we basically were all the bear market in dark red, and we never had a dark green because here is not light green, because this is not light green, this is not light green, this is not light green. As soon as we had light green here, which was 7 January 2023, we started a huge uptrend. Huge. So of course there is not 100% accuracy because there is no certainty in trading, we have probabilities, but for sure we can say the stable coins are important for us to understand what is going to happen in Bitcoin chart, in Bitcoin move, and also of course in the related altcoins or other crypto, because are correlated with Bitcoin. And since January 2003 we've been basically in light green, apart from here that we had a correction of about 13%, and we are still in light green. I remember guys, this is the 3-day chart because of course this is something that we want to check on a little bit higher time frame, not lower time frames, because of course we want to catch the macro trend, in this case of Bitcoin, but in general the crypto assets. Now what is important to check, maybe for not super long switch in the market, but if you want to check a short-term switch, we are going to check the individual chart. So in this case we are in the market cap USDT dominance. And what we can do, again here we add Bitcoin chart, so we add Bitcoin chart here, and this orange representation, linear chart, is Bitcoin. And what we can see here, we can see in the weekly chart that, okay, what's happening. This was the market top of 2021, and look where was the USDT dominance. Was clearly in a zone of support here, and when the price reached the support zone, also we had a peak. Now, if you want to check deeper, what is this? This is the local top of the start of the bear market of March 2022, and the correlation of what happened in USDT dominance for Tether. So here, and I want to mark this as a support, is exactly where we are now, or where we were basically last month, but we are still in this zone. So what does it mean? Means that this is a real important support zone, where it was, in comparison with Bitcoin, a local top of March, which was a really important switch in the market. And so in this zone, we are bouncing. It means if the USDT dominance is bouncing, the crypto assets are dumping. So everybody that was bullish here, for me, was nonsense, because we are in a super important zone. And to check it better, why it's important, let's watch closely. This area was support here, resistance, support, 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 boom. And this move up is all the bear market. And now we are basically retesting this important zone of support. So until we don't break below here on higher time frame, now we are in weekly chart, I don't see a proper bull market or an uptrend continuation. Now, what we can also check, of course, our simple trading indicators, like the RSI. The RSI was super oversold at 21 level in weekly chart. There is no sense, and probably never been so oversold. So again, also here, stochastic RSI, we had a cross up, and now is the stochastic RSI above 20, which most of the time indicates an uptrend, or the start of a new uptrend. Now I want also to check the OBV here, and the OBV is a little bit not relevant as I thought, but if we break the moving average here, it's more likely that we're gonna have an upside move. Now, what we can also check, we want to check also our trading indicator, Easy Trade Pro, because we want to also check what is telling us. And what is telling us is that last week we printed a blue candle, and as soon as we are above this line, and if we have a positive volume candle, means that this reversal is more likely, and which means that the price could reach this liquidity zone. Liquidity, because there are these weeks 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and if the price is gonna reach this level, it's a huge 50% move. So we could expect a pretty much important drop in the crypto market. So, and see how Easy Trade really also on these chart that are not coins or tradable coins. See how really caught the moves. Here again, another blue candle with the positive volume. We had a pump of 12%. Here, precisely the market top that, see, is coinciding, is matching with the January 2023, with the start of the new uptrend. So that's why it's important also to check stable coins, because thanks to also the trading indicators, but if you are not our subscriber, you can also check what are the free indicators. So the RSI, if it's oversold, the stochastic RSI, the volume, BV. Of course, this indicator is giving also more insights. And yeah, until we are above here, above this area, above 3.82%, I'm not seeing a continuation. Actually now, if we hold these two levels, the blue candle and the green support of the Tether market cap, is more likely that we're gonna see a pump to the upside, which means a drop in the cryptocurrency market. Now let's check briefly also the USDC market cap. Look now, it's clear, it's visible at naked eye. Look here. We are in important support zone. And it's not what I'm saying because it's my idea, but it's in front of us, in front of you. It's data. It's the chart that is telling us what's going on. And we are here in an important support zone that if we check again and we add Bitcoin chart to Bitcoin to our chart, we can see that this was the market top in 2021 in November, and USDC dominance was exactly here, where started again the bear market, because from here the dominance went up and the Bitcoin chart went down. So this is the same zone where the dominance in both Tether and Tether and USDC, from here started the bear market. So it's undeniable that now the stable coin market cap is in pretty important support zone. So I'm not saying that we won't see any higher prices in the crypto market, but what I'm saying is that if you are not invested yet, so if you're not in any position in the market, you should wait, in my opinion, a clear break of this level for the USDC. So if we break below, we test this as resistance, means that this level is lost and is more likely that we are going down. So which means Bitcoin, all cryptocurrency, will go higher in prices. Same thing, Tether. We close below here, we act as resistance, is more likely we're going down. It means that the Bitcoin and all the crypto assets they're gonna pop. Okay. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the content and you find also useful, like me, to check how the stablecoin market cap is doing. And if you never did, I hope you're gonna start from today. So thank you very much, and I would appreciate if you can subscribe and share the video and press like. Would really appreciate it, since we started this really not long time ago, this channel, and we need to grow. Thank you very much. Bye bye.